Hi everyone, my name's DJBigDerek and welcome to my eagerly anticipated sneaker pickups video. So this spring I had a massive 2 sneaker pickups. What can you do? So first up, and I'm wearing my blazer in honour of them, we have the Nike Blazer in the bronze, white, light grey colourway, and it has this lovely snakeskin pattern. Now if you harken back to my first ever sneaker pickups video, you may recall a certain Air Force One with a similar pattern on. Beautiful. And once again, no real snakes were harmed in the making of these, as far as I know. These were an absolute steal at £30. But I should warn you, they're an absolute pain to get on and off. But I do like them. So next and last is this. And you might be saying, oh Derek, that's a very futuristic looking shoe you have there. Well, you'd be right. These are the Air Max 2090 Duck Camo. So what happened is, some Nike workers from the future decided to send some of these back to us for the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90, which was the Air Max 1990, and it's 30 years since then in 2020. That's maths, isn't it? You'll be pleased to know they still have quality control issues in the future. You know, glue stains, whatever that mark is there, loose threads, all sorts. Colourway is camo, duck camo, with a sort of black mesh over, and you got this sort of pink, or as they call it, infrared. Now they came with white laces on, which was frankly ridiculous. So I've put these black ones on, which they included, and they're also nice enough to include some of these infraredish laces if you're so inclined. Comfortability is comfortable. Feels like you're walking on air, which you kind of are because of this air pocket here. Anyway, a cool, different looking sneaker that I look forward to wearing out and about. One day, who knows? Now of course, it wouldn't be a sneaker pickups video without talking about the elves. First we had the Asics Gel Light 3 OG Blue Smoke, which was a collaboration with Monozukuri. He's Japanese. I've never owned an Asics and looks like I never will. Then we had the Yeezy Alva, the kind of black alien foot thingy. And of course, we'll never forget, the Chunky Donkey. Was it even an elf? I mean, did we ever really have a chance? I filled in activity sheets, wrote essays, hundreds of raffles, and all for nothing. Then we had Travis Scott 270 Cactus Trail or something, which everyone said they didn't like, but it sold out in a second. So, and no one liked it, did they? Nightmare. The sneaker gods have not been on my side the last few months, I tell you. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Do subscribe if you like, and do like if you like. and comment something, sneaker related or otherwise. I mean, it's not like I've got much else to do other than comment all day, is it? And I'll see you very, very soon. Now, of course, this wouldn't be a Sneak Ups pickup. Now, of course, this wouldn't be a sneaker pickups video without a few elves along the way.
Espresso Martini makes me up go boom boom boom. Espresso Martini makes me up go boom